So, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. So, I'm just here to announce a total different video from the usual. This brand new microphone just arrived at my domicile, and I'm pretty happy to announce that I have a K688 Fifine microphone, which is going to improve a lot the quality of these videos that I make. As you can see, it comes with a manual indicating all the functions that it has, the features, things like if you talk like I'm talking right now, really like 2 inches from the microphone or something, the audio quality is gonna be better than when you talk like this or when you talk like that because this microphone is made for that, you know. As you can see right here, the overall quality of this product is really good. Um, it seems like it is not made out of plastic. Just these pieces right here on the back. The other pieces are made out of I don't know if it's metal, iron, or something. Well, it comes also with these USB Type C cable, so you can connect it directly to your computer without needing of anything else, and also this piece which you can connect to a arm. Here's the microphone, and yeah, I'm so happy, man. Oh yeah, let me show you guys. There is a little button, which is not a physical button. You just press, you just touch, and the microphone activates or deactivates itself. Yeah, but that's it. I'm still waiting for the tripod to arrive, but as you can see right here, this microphone is going to make a huge difference my videos and overall the quality, It's it's a good product. Oh, let me compare to you guys the difference between this microphone, which I'm recording this video right now, and the other one that I used to use. Well, this is me recording from my brand new microphone, the K688. Well, that's also me, but now recording from the other microphone, the Tronia T30, which is a earphone. It is not a microphone. It's not focused on recording audio. It's just for when you go on hikes, when you go running. But the overall quality of the other microphone is superior, so much superior. Yeah, but I think that's it. As I told you, this video it's a little bit different from the usual. I didn't even prepare any script. I did it. I just recorded, but that's it.